good premium materials and top of the line hardware means it's a flagship phone that competes with the Galaxy S8 and iPhone 7. The bad, the dual camera setup isn't very good and the phone's glass back is great to look at, but can be slippery to hold. It's only available in one country for now. The bottom line, Xiaomi Mi 6 could do some real damage if the company sold it more places. Too bad for us. Xiaomi Mi 6 is one of the best Android phones around. I love the Mi 6 for what it is, an amazing device with the same speedy processor as the Samsung Galaxy S8, $899.11 at Amazon.com, and a beautiful design that stands out on its own. It also comes with dual cameras, and takes portrait pictures like the Apple iPhone 7 Plus, $1,299.11 at Amazon.com, and now, the OnePlus 5. You get Android goodness with some Apple-like features, and it costs a lot less than your typical flagship phone. What's not to like? Well, how about the fact that it's still only available in China 2 months on from its launch? Xiaomi said it would reach other countries soon, but it couldn't tell me when exactly it's going to start rolling out. While eager beavers could order a Mi 6 from China, take heed that the LTE may not work in countries such as the US. You'll have to compare to your carrier's network plans to be sure. And there are no Google Play services in China, so until the company releases a global ROM, you have to sideload it if you want native apps such as Google Maps.